Hey guys, welcome back to another video. As you can see, I just logged in. But anyways, in today's video, it's gonna be like a more low-key video, I want to say, because we're gonna do my inventory tour with like my clothes and my den items. And I'm just gonna do a den tour because I haven't done one of those yet. And on my other account, which did get hacked, it seemed like you guys liked them. So why not just make one on here? So yeah, let's get like right into it. So I'm still in Jama, so why not just do my clothes while I'm here? So I got like tons of kind of like beta clothes, rares, rare Mondays, and tons of stuff like that. Then I just got tons of random stuff, some rares, some betas. I'll just like quickly show you all of it. Um, yeah, I'm not that rare. I do understand that. Uh, but I will be doing a giveaway soon. So you should really stay tuned for that. Subscribe and click the bell so you really don't miss it. Um, yeah, then I have things from like the shop. Yeah, so that is my clothes inventory. Got nothing on my trade list because I don't need people blowing my trade, even though I could just turn my trading off. But let's go to my den so I can do the den inventory. Yeah, so I got that doing, um, getting the heart down the lake or whatever with Peck's gem. It's a really hard game and you just get something really stupid. But yeah, I have tons of Valentine's Day things. And just some betas, some rares. Um, Sorry I'm going so fast because I just am and it's really glitchy. But yeah, I'm just gonna make this a quick video just to post something because I haven't posted in a few days. So, and this is the stuff from Christmas and stuff. So, let me just. Oh, now we're in the Halloween. So I got a lot of that Halloween stuff, even though I forgot to decorate on Halloween too. So, well, what am I gonna do about that? Okay, I'm still in the Halloween stuff. Oh, yep, now I'm getting to like the summer stuff. Got a lot of that too. Yeah. Like, now I just have this random stuff. I would go through pets, and I mean, I still could. I think I will actually. Because, I mean, it's inventory. Pets are inventory too. Oh, now I have like all my lucky clovers. Items, some betas. Yeah, here's a fun fact. My first beta was actually Cammy's frog, but that was in like 2013, I think. And I didn't know what a beta was because I was new. I mean, I just got on that year. So I knew nothing about Animal Jam. So I traded it for a non-member floor. Really? It wasn't even a wood floor that's a beta. It was like a thing that you could buy in the stores. Wait, was it a floor? I don't know. It was something that was like really crappy and non-member. I'm not even sure if they have non-member floors. So like the wooden floor, but okay, now we have when the art time was popular, so I bought all the art stuff from my art gallery. New Year's, another winter, and yeah, just tons of nice stuff like kitchens, house. You get the gist. You really do. Um, oh, then we have like summer slash spring, more stuff. Now all my pets, I got traded most of my pets, so that's the cool part about it, I feel. Oh, wait, I want to take that off. Okay, well, anyways. Sorry if you can't see all of it because I'm either going fast or just like glitching out. Um, yeah, so I think that's. Oh, I got a golden pig. It's pretty cool. Forgot about that. Um, yep. I've had more pets, it's just that I've deleted them through the years. So let's do my den tour. Because why not? I'm just gonna start from when you walk in. So I have a poodle rug, some bushes. I don't know why the poodle rug's there, but you know. So on the porch, got the stepping stones, mailbox, like a light post or something, whatever you call them, lamp post, I think. A tree with fairy lights, a beta table, and two chairs. Then we got our fencing and our doors. And let's go in now. We got like this beta wall thing, a plaque, then like the chairs, which are I'm pretty sure like they're really rare now, cause like someone wanted a legit black long for the whole set, and I thought that was pretty cool, but I didn't have those at the time. I just got them for a wristband. So it was a long pink wristband, I think. So then we have like the art center over there. To be honest, I don't know at this point. We got two betas. Let me get over here more. Yeah, we got that plant, another lamppost, poodle things, because it's the year of the poodle, so why not? Got a masterpiece hanging up. Pretty lit, I feel. So I'm gonna go up the steps. My computer's glitchy AF. This room I personally like. I don't know. It just has a lot of cheer. It's not the most organized. Yeah, no. That's okay. So, we got another mailbox. Um, all that. Oh, like wishing well I bought in the store the other day. This random like chocolate sitting there. I don't know the point of that. That rare right there. My betas, a few of them. Then like this reminds me. Oops, my battery's running low. This reminds me of like a place where you get married. You know. Okay, well, that wraps it up for this video. It definitely took longer than I thought it would. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment if you want to stay tuned. Click the bell for when I do my giveaway. And thank you for watching. Bye.